What is SMTP server? Now, SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it's an internet standard for email transmission. It helps to send emails using an ESP32, and you need to connect your ESP32 to an SMTP server. And most email providers like Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, Yahoo have their own SMTP servers, and they provide the information that you need to use these servers for free. All what you need to do is create an account, a Hotmail, Gmail, or any other account, and get the SMTP server information. And all of this is explained in the coming lessons. You will learn how to create a Gmail account and what are the Gmail or SMTP server details for Gmail accounts. Now, in the next lesson, we'll explain how to use the ESP32 mail client library and how to install it on your Arduino IDE. If you have any question, you can ask it in the Q&A board. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.